The second week of Parliament's monsoon session has begun on a chaotic note, with opposition raising slogans as they protested over the alleged police crackdown on students protesting over the NEET paper leak. The disruption began as soon as the proceedings commenced, which led to the presiding officers adjourning both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Today, the Government of India is set to introduce a bill, and it is to tighten the law against exam malpractices and paper leaks. The move comes amid nationwide protests and the simmering anger over NEET paper leak, which also led to the recent resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. According to the Lok Sabha's legislative business agenda, Union Minister Jitendra Singh will introduce the bill that proposes amendments to the Public Examinations Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has questioned the purpose of the new bill while alleging that students are still being targeted with FIRs.
मैंने सुना है कि अभी भी FIR फाइल कर रहे हैं बिहार में, बंगाल में स्टूडेंट्स के खिलाफ. ये मैंने सुना है, वेरीफाइड नहीं है अभी. तो मतलब फिर फायदा क्या हुआ?
37-day protest led by the Cockroach Janata Party at Delhi's Jantar Mantar ended with the resignation of Education Minister, while the CJP has called off its agitation after reaching an understanding with the central government. Political battle looks far from over. Before entering the parliament, opposition MPs including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra protested in the parliament premises, demanding accountability for the police crackdown on protesting students and an apology from the Prime Minister. Coming back to the anti-paper leak bill, under the proposal, those convicted of paper leaks or other exam fraud could face a minimum of 5 years in jail, extendable to 10 years, along with a fine of up to 50 lakh rupees. Organized exam rackets could attract a minimum 7-year jail term and a fine of up to 10 crore rupees. These proposed changes come after the alleged NEET UG 2026 paper leak, which triggered weeks of student protests across the country. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a high-level task force with the objective to overhaul the examination system under the National Testing Agency. This panel would be led by Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani, its mandate is to strengthen the security, transparency and credibility of the examination process.
विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के लिए भारत सरकार लगातार अनेकविध कदम उठा रही है. जिन लोगों ने विद्यार्थियों के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ किया, वे जेलों में सड़ रहे हैं. लेकिन हमें भविष्य के लिए सोचना है. हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति विश्वस्त हो, हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति ट्रांसपेरेंट हो, हमारी परीक्षा पद्धति में सबसे ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग हो.
Nilekani has earlier spearheaded some of India's biggest digital transformation initiatives, which includes Aadhaar. The other members of the panel are former ISRO chairman S. Somnath, former IB director Tapan Deka, IIT Madras director V. Kamakoti, former education secretary Anita Karwal, and logistics expert Amrit Lal Meena. The task force will submit its recommendations to the government, which will then frame the next set of reforms to protect the integrity of India's public examinations.